Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Let me switch the camera.
I
Ciao!
can play here.
What is that? Is a drum?
Yes. My belly is growing and I met my doctor this morning and she complained with me about my weight. But it's okay. The baby is okay.
But this is a secret. We didn't tell the doctor your secret. Everybody knows Rosella's secret now, but the doctor. What's your secret? Potato? Pizza?
Well,
Honestly, she has not too much pasta. The problem is the rest.
it's okay. So the baby, it's about
3.3. We calculated accurately in pounds to inform you about his weight.
And how many inches?
Like almost 20 inches. So it's we are expecting a giant.
It's a good, it's normal so far.
It's normal. Do you know, guys, our say when somebody eats too much in Sicily, we say "abbia essere cerassi." So it means it's better to spend money in clothes than in food, because food is too expensive.
And today is a beautiful sunny day here in Sicily. Behind us a beautiful sea. It's very calm today. And
Sure.
Torre Pozzillo.
Tell about the tower, the Spanish watchtower behind us. This is a beautiful tower from the 1600s, used by the Spaniards to defend the Sicilian coastline from the enemy attacks, in particular from the Turkish float. And this is one of the several watchtowers around the coastline. It's a part of the defensive system. But this is my, first of all, this is my favorite place. Since I was a child, I used to go there to swim. So I'm I love it. It's not only a beautiful seaside location, it's also one of my favorite places since I was very young.
And we are coming back home.
Yes.
Because we have a lot of work to do.
Yes, we went to the hospital today. She had the, I just say, echography, ultrasound, something like that. I don't know. And everything is very good so far. And we started our business season 2 days ago.
With a wonderful family.
A beautiful family from New York area came to Sicily, booked a private tour with us. They have an origin here in the nearby, in Terracini and Partinico. I didn't say where we are now.
Oh, yeah.
We are very close to the place where we live. So this is the area between Cinisi and Carini. Can you see the mountain? Okay, that's the mountain where we live. On the slopes of the mountain, we are in the area of Carini, and we are so lucky because we can enjoy a beautiful view. And this is the place where I used to go. I take my car, in a 5-minute drive I can swim. So I can't ask more from life. I have a beautiful angel with me.
Oh.
A beautiful baby boy inside the angel.
I need a baby to get Gianca a better man.
No, I was good, but I'm so shy. So maybe the baby boy gave me the opportunity to show my feeling.
So we are coming back to work at our Sicily Lovers Tour new edition for
Yes,
2026. And of course, we are taking care of these clients that right today they are exploring the hometowns or their ancestors, and we were lucky because we have found long distant relatives.
Yes.
So they are very happy. And when you have a Sicilian origin, not only we can help you plan your tour of Sicily, but we can also help you recover your roots.
Yes, exactly. So, just to summarize, if they want to visit Sicily with us, what's the potential possibilities? So, first of all, you can join our group tour. The Sicily Lovers Tour. I should open a bracket, parenthesis. So it's not only for couples, guys. It means Sicily Lovers Tour. So the tour for the Sicily lovers, not for lovers. Okay, some people are how do you say? Some people misunderstood. They think it's only for couples. No, it's for solo travelers. It's for friends. So regardless. You are with your partner, you can visit Sicily with us and join our tour. This is the first possibility. The second one, you can ask us to customize a private tour of Sicily all year round. So the Sicily Lovers Tour, I should say the 2025 editions are already sold out.
All the 4 editions.
We are working now for the 2026 editions in May, June and September. We will reveal the dates very soon. And if you don't want to join a group tour, we can customize, we can put together your private tour of Sicily according to your needs. And if you can't travel to Sicily, don't forget that we own an online store dedicated to more than how much? Now we have 900?
Almost 900.
900 different items of
handmade here in Sicily.
Yes, so pottery, jewelry, paintings. You have a lot of different things. So if you can travel to Sicily, we can we can send you an authentic piece of Sicily.
So the website for our online store is sicilylover.com.
Yes.
And if you want to travel to Sicily, you can visit bestthingtodoinsicily.com.
Very good.
And Gianca and Rosella will wait for you.
Yes.
And also Domenico.
Domenico in a few weeks. We will deliver Domenico in a few weeks, and we can wait to show you Domenico.
With the Sicily Lover flag, t-shirt,
yes.
Everything.
So
Guys,
I would like to say bye-bye, and I will dedicate the last seconds of this video to this beautiful Mediterranean Sea behind us and the Pozzillo Spanish watchtower.
Love,
hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!